Yeah. Yazi mfethu ama-closing remarks namhlanje ngizoba nawo. This has been a personal conviction kumina. As much as ngingenayo into engayipointa ukuthi I've been struggling with this. Ngicela ukukhuluma nabalaleli namhlanje mfethu sengivala. Enye into mfethu ihambisana ne-honor. Mfethu angaze ngichaze kanjani lento. Uyabona i-honor mfethu khona amanye amaphutha esinokwenza. Lento mfethu I had it written down ukuthi ngizokhuluma ngayo. Ayihlangene nenye comment mhlawumbe esitholile. I-honor mfethu ifana sigade futhi lento ukuthi ingabukeli eminye imisebenzi phansi while we thank God for a promotion. Ikufana sigade lento angaze ngichaza kanjani. I-honor mfethu mina ngeke ngabhala incwadi ukuthi impumelelo kaMadakeni. Kuleyo ncwadi I thank God ukuthi ngiyakuveza ukuthi angiyibukeli phansi indaba yokuxova udaka. Imagine umuntu ezothi hey ngibonga uNkulunkulu because I was once a radio DJ, you know. Are you saying ukuthi laba ba radio DJ you know, so kufana sigada kwesinye isikhathi ukuthi hey I thank God I was once a minister manje sengu president. Are you saying ukuthi ama ministers aphansi yebo lento le. So when God takes us from one level of glory to another, I think uNkulunkulu ngathi ngasimbulela sibe ne-wisdom ukuthi masenze ibonelo ngabantu abakwi-security noma bawu-taxi driver kungabo ngathi lo osawu-taxi driver mhlawumbe kufana datshukelwe because lo muntu is a ministry mfethu. Ngike ngagitshezwa ngishaya eGoli mfethu ngagibela enye lezi labantu abashayela imoto kuthathe from one place to another ngifuna ukusho inkampani yawo. This guy mfethu udlala igospel mase ngixoxa naye, this guy mfethu is a child of God and wa minister kumina. Ngithi kuyena ndoda you are not just a driver. God has put you here to minister. You will drive abantu ababroken, you will minister to them. So we need to be careful ukuthi uNkulunkulu mesikhulisa kade mhlawumbe ngisebenza receptionist ngingathi hey I was once a receptionist, now I thank God I'm here. Yes, thank God, but not ongazuthi ukuba receptionist khona into wrong because there are people who are called to be a receptionist. There are people who are called to be at the gate. We need to acknowledge that and as uNkulunkulu esikhulisa because at times singaletha it dishonor while we think we are honoring.
Yes, that's true. Thank
God
you
is love.
Well, wisdom is from God. Yes,
Fethu kade kuzalwa uMaizolo uMacele ehlanganisa u79 so nje ngithi angi-highlight le God is love. Thulani yeye Gumede kuzo zonke inkundla zokuxhumana. Thulani yeye Gumede kanti ngumbhali wencwadi uma ufuna incwadi xhumana nami lapha ngizokusendela yona. God is love.
Okay, we'll try to